Morning, everybody. It's Roy. I'm in the Treasure Center. I'm getting started a little bit late this morning and doing the eBay. I had a couple of appointments and errands I needed to take care of first thing this morning. But now I'm back in the office and I'm getting ready to pull a couple orders that sold overnight. No big sales, just a little bread and butter money makers. So let's go pull some orders. Okay, first one that I sold was out of this box of 360 games. It's let's see, it was, let's see, where's it at? Destiny, Ninja 3, Carta, Tales of Vespra. Alright, Tales of Vespra. That was the first one it sold, and it sold for $4.99 plus shipping. Wasn't a very big sale. The next one was also out of the Xbox games. It was this one right here, Ninja Gaiden, and it sold for $11.95 free shipping. And the last thing that sold was down here in this box. Was this Oakley sunglass case. If you saw, I put it the other day in the video I had. I got this Oakley sunglass case. Didn't pay but $1 for it. Listed it and sold it for $10. So that was a good little flip. I think I paid, I don't remember, 25 cents to $1. I didn't pay any more than that for it. And then yesterday I just listed a Ray-Ban one. So if anybody's interested, have it posted if you want one. But that was all the sales I had this morning. So let me get these wrapped up so I can take them out to the post office and then maybe go do a little sourcing. Okay, so I went ahead and wrapped and packaged one of the items that I was going to ship out this morning. And then I thought, since they're video games, I thought I would show you how I wrap them to send out. I know everybody's going to do it a little different, but I want to make sure that it's protected. So let me set you down over here. Okay. One thing I always have, that I always keep, is plenty of extra cardboard lying around. Extra cardboard for packaging and shipping. So Xbox game, the one I sold in Ninja Gaiden 2, it, you know, the case is plastic. It's going to go in a bubble mailer. So I want to make sure that it's well protected when it goes through the mail system. So, and I try to make it a little neat. So I have just take a piece of cardboard and just score it a little bit where I know I want to bend the cardboard. By doing that, I create these nice little cover. Put the tape in there. I put it in there. I got these little eBay thank you cards that I had made up. So I'll stick one in there. Fold it over. Fold it over. There. Grab a piece of tape. Put it there. Let me get a poly mailer. All right. Slide it into the poly mailer. Fold it up. take my little scale and I'll turn it. See, I don't know if you can see it, but I'll turn it. 6.4 ounces. Putting cardboard in it makes it a tad heavier, but where's my pen? Here's my pen. Makes it a little heavy, just a tad heavier, but it's still going to go first class. 6.4, 7 ounces. This was Ninja. All right, and I'll put that off to the side. So putting that little extra piece of cardboard on there, I just feel more comfortable that I know that it's going to be protected and get to its destination. So one more item to package, then we'll go to the post office and do a little sourcing. Not at the post office. Hey everybody. So I'm here at the post office and sitting in the parking lot, and I was thinking about questions that people may have about eBay and their shipping. Why do I go to the post office? Well, where I used to live, we had pretty good postal carrier, and they would come and pick it up, and I had a setup. They would bring me a box each time they came, and I'd give them a box of things that sold on eBay. I didn't even have to schedule it. They just knew that that's what I was doing. So we moved to South Texas after my retirement, and we live in a community, so all the mail comes in and goes out from the same area. Even though each person has their little post office, it's kind of like the little post office boxes you see in the post office. So our mail carrier that we have, he comes about the same time every day, but he comes and drops stuff off. And being that we're in a community, I really don't want everybody seeing me bring in and out of boxes of stuff all the time. The other thing is scheduling a pickup. You can schedule a pickup for a postal carrier to come by and pick up things at your residence. Again, some places and some people have real good reception in doing that, and other places don't. Once again, the reason I don't schedule it to come over to my place or my house to pick up items that I've sold is being in the community. It's just easier for me to go to the post office. Our post office is only about a mile down the road, and by me taking my items into the post office, I know that it's going to arrive safely and that it'll be delivered. I know exactly the box it's going right into the postal box. I know it's safe at that point in time and it's on its way. So that's why I do that. Alright, so I arrived at the first thrift store that we're going to go sourcing at. I haven't been to it before. It's called Thrift City. So let's go in and see if we can find any good items to sell. So I just got in from that store and there really wasn't much. I did pick up one item. It's a Jimmy Buffett Las Vegas Margaritaville hat. They had marked for $1.99, which I probably shouldn't have paid $1.99, but comps usually sell on those things for $10 to $15 and it'll be lightweight to ship. So alright, so we're gonna head on to our next destination, wherever that may be. See you there. Okay, so I did go into the Goodwill. I didn't show you any video in there. They were playing the music pretty loud. It was pretty crowded. Mostly a lot of clothes in that store also, which is normal. But I did pick up a few things. I'll show you when I get back to the Treasure Center office, and I'll display it all out so that way you can see what I got. I did stop by the local quick fast restaurant so I could get a bite to eat, and I'll see you back home in a minute and have everything out for you. Hey everyone, I'm back in the Arcade Treasure Center office. I did get a few items from the thrift stores and the Goodwill today. I did tell you that I was going to show them to you, so I'm going to give you a quick peek, and then I'm going to do a haul video and really explain the items. So here's a quick peek. Alright, that was a quick peek. Anyway, I want to give a shout out to a fellow YouTube subscriber, and also he has his own video channel, Lev Chris. Lev Chris is a bit of a I can't say the word. He's a bit of a coin enthusiast. He knows a lot about coins. He just started a YouTube channel not too long ago, but he has a lot of good items. So if you're interested in coins and want to know more about him, find out what he has to sell, he does some giveaways, check out his channel. I'll put a link in the description down below. And I want to thank you all. My wife and I, like I said, we're retired and we do this for a little extra cash so we can have some fun. And if you like this video, give me a comment. If you want to, especially if you want to see more like it. And remember to tune back in, and I'll show you the haul video that I got and explain all the items. I've got one item that I picked up today that I was really enthusiastic about, and I didn't pay but 99 cents for, and I expect about make at least 10-15 times off that amount. So appreciate it, and see y'all later.